Hello and welcome to the lesson. Today we're going to learn how to create a favicon. A favicon is a small icon that is displayed in the address bar of the browser or in the title bar of a tab. Its behavior differs depending on the browser. An icon like this can be designed in any graphics editor. I'm going to use Microsoft Paint to provide an example. What's important is that the size of our icon must be 16 by 16 pixels. I already have a drawing canvas sized 16 by 16 pixels. I'll zoom the canvas in so that I can work with it more easily. I'll draw the same favicon that can be found on the Landy website. The favicon consists of 3 columns and a top line. I'll start with the blue column, which will be a little longer than the other 2. Next, I'll draw the middle column, which is yellow and is approximately 2/3 the length of the blue column. As my third step, I'll create the red column. Its height is the same as the middle column. Finally, I'll draw a green bar above the first 2 columns. Let's keep in mind that the icon is going to be rather small, only 16 by 16 pixels. That doesn't give us a lot of artistic options. It is best to create favicons as simple as possible. Once you have designed your icon, save it as favicon.ico. If your graphic editor isn't able to save your image as an icon, which Microsoft Paint isn't, save your file as favicon.bmp. After that, you'll have to use a converter to change the file type. There are a number of programs for creating icons. I'll use the Shami.com online converter. Its advantage is that downloading and installation are unnecessary. Here in the Source Image section, I'll select our file, which is the favicon.bmp file, and click on Generate favicon.ico. Here's a preview of what our icon will look like in the browser. If I click on Download Favicon Package, a package of 3 files will be downloaded. Among them are our icon and an image file that can be used for animated favicons. However, animated favicons are not supported by most browsers. Once I've extracted these 3 files into the root directory of our website, I'll open the folder containing our website. But how do we incorporate the icon into the website? I'll open the README file where I can find a simple guide on how to do it. I'll copy the following HTML code and paste it inside the head element. I'll switch back to Notepad and insert the code into the head part. I'll save the page and display it in the browser. As you can see, our icon is displayed in the top panel next to the title. Our code consists of 2 lines. The first one inserts the classic icon, while the second line links to the animated favicon. The animated icon didn't show up at all. I'll add a backslash over here to keep the code valid. In Internet Explorer, the favicon icon will only be displayed if the user adds the page to favorites. Let's bookmark the page. If I refresh the browser now, the Favorites menu shows our web page together with its icon. If I click on it, it will show up in the address bar as well. To finish off, I have a piece of advice for those who will be testing their own favicon setup. Some browsers do not display favicons for locally saved files. Therefore, all testing must be done on a file that has been uploaded to a server. This has been the last part of this lesson. I'll be looking forward to seeing you the next time.